All right, I'm going to go down the row like this and point to you guys, and you're going to tell me what to do. You guys are going to help me. You ready? Here we go. First of all, quick question. It opens this way, like this, right? So if it opens this way, like this, in other words, it opens left and right. What type of inequality is that? Do you guys remember? We'll start with the conjunction. Is it and or? If it opens up, look in your notebook packet real quick. If it opens up like that, look, I just wrote it down. Right here. See, if you guys are writing down what I'm writing down, you'll know. I said if it opens up, then it's or. So right away, just by looking at the graph, I know that it's or, and I know that or represents a union. But then it says the shaded portion of the graph is not between two values, so the compound inequality is an or. In other words, it's not an intersection. Intersections only occur when they overlap. So on the left of the graph, it shows the arrows pointing left from -1 and a solid circle. So we would use this x is less than or equal to. Because it's a solid circle, it's less than or equal to what? -1. That's what it is right here. Now, over here we have a solid circle at 7, so it'd be x is greater than or equal to 7. It's shaded to the greater side, right? Going to the right is greater. Going to the left is lesser. Let's do part B. Part B says, is this an or an and? Well, if I say x is less than -1, wait. Hold on a second. Oh, why did they put the x is less than or equal to -1? That's right. So the compound inequality is this. I'm sorry, I'm getting the two things confused. They're just stating that the compound inequality is this or this, right? X is less than or equal to -1 or x is greater than or equal to 7. Now, on part B, what do you notice here? What do you notice here? On part B, what do you notice? I'll write the word down. Can you at least read it?
I don't know what that says.
Quit trying to be funny. That's not a 6. A 6 looks like this.
It looks like that.
Take a guess as to what that word is.
6 overlap.
Overlap. So that means it's an A and D, which means and. Why does it say and? Because an overlap is an intersection. These two compound inequalities, when you put these inequalities together, they're going to overlap. Now, on 0, I got a closed circle, but on 6, I have an open circle. So the graph is shaded between the values 0 and 6. Because it's shaded or it overlaps, we would say it's an intersection, so we use the word and. The graph is shaded to the right / left of 0, right? So that is shaded to the right of 0. Oh, wait. I'm going to back up. They're wording it the other way. They're saying to the left of 6, and it has an open circle. So we use, well, let me see. Well, what would we use? We would say x is less than 6, right? Or, well, I said too much. Let me back up. It's just going to be this. We're going to use the less than symbol, so then I would say x is less than 6. Now, when it's shaded to the right of 0 and it has a solid circle, so then I would say greater than or equal to. So this is x is greater than or equal to 0. So then the compound inequality, believe it or not, can actually be written as 0 is less than or equal to x is less than 6.
Whoa. That's crazy.
Yeah, cray. Any questions on that? So I'll leave that up there for a second for you guys to write it down.